Unlock higher response rates for your cold outreach by mastering personalized email automation with Zapier. This tutorial will guide you through building highly targeted automated cold email campaigns that resonate first. We'll connect your data source. This could be a spreadsheet, your CRM, or even a form submission that contains valuable prospect information. In Zapier, select your data source as the trigger. For instance, if a new row is added to your Google Sheet containing prospect details, that's our signal to start the automated email. Next, choose your email service as the action, whether you use Gmail, MailChimp, or another provider. Zapier has a vast integration library. Now for the magic personalization. This is where we make your emails stand out in the subject line and email body. You can pull in specific data points from your trigger. Think prospect's name, company name, or even a relevant industry detail found in your data. For example, instead of a generic hello, we can dynamically insert hello first name, making the recipient feel like the email was crafted just for them. To avoid overwhelming prospects, we can automate follow-up sequences, add a delay step to schedule your subsequent emails. This ensures your message arrives at the optimal time. You can then set up a second, or even third, email within the same Zap, with entirely new personalized content based on whether there's been a response or not, or simply as a timed follow-up. Finally, Zapier allows you to track campaign performance by logging successful sends and opens with additional actions. This gives you valuable insights to refine your outreach strategy. By following these steps, you'll be creating personalized cold email automation that drives meaningful connections and boosts your response rates efficiently.